Hi friends, welcome to Maths with Money channel. So today I will discuss how to get more marks in SSC CGL 2021 mains exam, which will be conducted on August 8th. So manaki August 8th ante only 2 weeks left. So how to score or how to get more marks or how to practice uh, to get more marks in these 2 weeks, that I will discuss in this video. Okay, so in particular I will tell you how to score 180 plus marks in quantitative aptitude. I hope all of you know in type 2 we have two papers, one is English and another one is quantitative aptitude. And again in quantitative aptitude we have two main topics, that is arithmetic and advanced maths. Yes, so how to score more marks in these two topics? I will tell you in English also. Only thing you have to do is whatever I am telling you in this video, please follow heartfully, then definitely you will get more marks. Okay, so based on my experience I will tell you all these things. Okay, and these experiences are my individual experiences. I appeared SSC CGL from 2017 onwards, and I will show you my mark sheets of CGL in 2017 and 18 and also in 19 of quantitative aptitude section. Okay, then, and why I am showing you, because in YouTube many educators are there or many mentors are there, they will tell you how to get more marks, but they will tell you as a mentor and they will tell you as a teacher or as a faculty, but I will tell you as a mentor come an aspirant, because I appeared the exam thrice, so I know how the exam will be and I know how the tension or how the pressure we have while we are writing the examination. Okay, that's why please understand my experiences and put those things in your daily life. Okay, then you will definitely get more marks. So first in 2017 CGL I got 173.5 marks in quantitative aptitude. Okay, at that time my shift was I think February 19th. Okay, so basically at that time there is no normalization, and at that time we got a very tough paper, and basically in 2017 CGL Tier 2 the candidates who wrote the exam on February 22nd, they will have another chance who can write it on March 9th, because the paper was leaked, so they again conducted, and on these days February 22nd to March 9th, so many aspirants prepared to that level and they got good marks. But I wrote on February 19th, so there is no re-exam for us, and I got 173.5 marks. And at that time I practiced many mock tests and I prepared a lot for both quantitative aptitude, that means arithmetic, and also advanced maths. At that time also I am teaching advanced maths, so I am not focusing more on advanced maths, but I put more focus on arithmetic as I am not teaching arithmetic. Okay, and I will tell you what are the books I followed in arithmetic and in advanced maths. Okay, and remaining all the marks I don't consider. Okay, I only focused on quantitative aptitude. And next in 2018, from 2018 only we have normalized marks. Okay, and I got 197.64, that is my normalized score, not raw score. Okay, and these at the time of 2018 also I prepared a very lot, that means I already cracked examiner post, but the result was not declared when I am writing this exam 2018 type 2. So I prepared a lot for this exam also, I wrote many mock tests. Okay, and then I got 197.64, it is my normalized score, and my raw score I think 183, I didn't remember, but I think 183 or 185 is my raw score. Okay, in paper 2 in Tier 2 quantitative aptitude. Okay, and coming to 2019, When I am writing 2019 exam, I don't know much. Matlab, I don't have any preparation on 2019 exam for tier 1 or tier 2 because I am already working in examiner post in Mumbai, so I already got it. So that's why I didn't prepare much. Still my RA score was 173. I didn't write any single mock test, and my normalized score was 225.94 out of 200. Okay, and I didn't appear English paper. Okay, just for how the to know the level of paper I appeared, and without any preparation I got. So now most of the aspirants has a doubt, sir, why you people are writing the exam so many times and why you are not giving to other aspirants. Okay, it's not like that. Okay, I just appeared for my to understand or to know the level of examination and to spread the knowledge to others. That's why I wrote. And without preparation, and one more doubt came in all the aspirants, that how you got these many marks without writing single mock test. I'll tell you that because so many aspirants after writing or after appearing for one more than two times or more than one times, they know the level of, or they understand the level of SSC CGL. Okay, when we know the level or when we know the topics which they mainly concentrate, then you can easily get more marks without writing any mock test also. But you have to be in touch. Because of teaching, I am in touch with the quantitative aptitude because so many aspirants asking many doubts in WhatsApp or in YouTube. I am teaching many videos. That's why I am in touch with quantitative aptitude. That's why without writing mock tests also I got those many marks. Okay, so now of course you can trust me that the sources which I followed in 2017, 18, 19 will help you in your preparation. Okay, all of you clear? Now the source which I followed for quantitative aptitude for arithmetic is only one book I followed. Okay, my success mantra in quantitative aptitude is only one book, that is Class Notes of Maths by Rakesh Yadav sir. This is completely class notes in which you have arithmetic, all the topics of number system, time and work, simple interest, compound interest, profit and loss. And in these notes we also have advanced maths, but this advanced maths is not sufficient to clear or to put all the questions in type 2. So that's why for advanced maths my videos are sufficient. For arithmetic only this book is sufficient. Okay, if you are unaware of this book, or if you are unable to purchase this book, then I have compiled the important models for mainly tier 2 exam. Okay, in arithmetic in my blog iasmathematics.blogspot.com. I have one blog iasmathematics.blogspot. In this blogspot or in this blog you will have all the important models in arithmetic, that too topic wise, and I compiled and I made PDFs like that, and you can freely download those PDFs from this blog. Okay, and just follow those models. Okay, and that you have to do. First thing, you have to download those PDFs and just follow or just prepare those models only. And the second thing you have to do is practice, or after completing all these problems, please practice the previous year questions of 2018, 2019 and 2020 tier 2 questions. 2020 tier 2 questions. You have to follow or you have to practice all these problems. Okay, and next mock tests. And next one is mock tests. Daily, you have only 2 weeks now. In the first week, you have to write 1 maths, 1 English. Okay. And in the second week, first 3 days, and in the second week, first 3 days, 1 maths, 1 English and 1 maths. Morning 1 maths exam, afternoon 1 English exam, and night before you are going to the bed, one more maths exam. Maths means quantitative aptitude. And in the next 4 days, first 3 days, you have to take you have to write mock tests, 1 maths and 1 English, and that too specific on the specific timings which you have tier 2 exam. So basically type 2 exam timings are suppose 10 to 12 and 2 to 4 for suppose. Okay, then maths exam you have to be right on 10 to 12 only, and English exam you have to be right on 2 to 4 only. And after 4 or after 4:30, please make an analysis of how you wrote the exam, whether it is maths or exam. You have to take analysis of your exam. Okay, and on the last day, that is before exam. Okay, the day before the exam, you have to take rest. Don't write any mock test. Okay, it's my suggestion. Don't write any mock test. Just revise all the formulas. Okay, that's it. It is regarding mock test. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you before English. This I made videos on revision of formulas, because pure maths is fully of formulas only. Yes. So in pure maths, we have main topics are algebra, trigonometry, and geometry and 2D mensuration, 3D mensuration, coordinate geometry, and inscribing figures. Okay. For all these topics, only for the revision of videos, I took 10 plus hours. Okay, if you revise all these formulas, okay, which is equivalent to 10 plus hours, then you will get more than 100 plus marks. So definitely watch the playlist of this pure maths formula revision videos, which is very, 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 very important for mains exam. Okay, and for pure maths or for advanced maths, my videos are sufficient, or my PDFs, class notes PDFs are more than sufficient to solve all the questions, asked in mains exam. Okay, now we will go to the English. For English, just follow only one book, English by Neetu Singh Madam, that is Plinth to Paramount. We have volume 1 and volume 2. Okay, if you are capable of buying these 2 books, then it is sufficient. Otherwise, just buy volume 1. Okay, if you buy volume 1, that is also sufficient, but if you want to purchase, then volume 2 also purchase, then it is better to get more marks. Okay, and one more book you have to follow is English vocabulary, that is Black Book of English vocabulary. It is made by Nikhil Gupta of Q Maths. Okay, this is also very best book, and it covers all the previous questions. In English vocabulary. Okay, is it clear? Next, one more thing I want to tell you in English, for vocabulary, and that too in particular idioms and phrases. For idioms, please read idioms with etymology. Etymology means origin, how that idiom was origin. Okay, that is important, because in the exam you can eliminate the options when you know the origin of the idiom. Okay, I prepared in 2017 like that only. Okay, for every idiom there should be a story. How the idiom was origin, or how the idiom was generated, or how the idiom was used initially in the olden days. What is the reason, or what is the story behind that? That when you read in that way, definitely you can easily remember the idiom, and you can eliminate 3 options out of 4 options in the idioms and phrases. Okay, if you follow in that way, then definitely you will get more marks in English. Okay, this is my overall experience out of this. And I want to tell you one more thing. When you write a mock test, how to analyze mock test, that is very very important question. So many aspirants were asking me how to analyze the mock test. I wrote the mock test. Okay, out of 200 I got 150. Okay, or I got 180, or I got 175, whatever it may be, or you got 190 marks out of 200, whatever marks you are getting. Okay, don't see these numbers. Okay, and if you got more marks, then don't overwhelm or don't proud yourself that, oh, I got so many marks today. Okay, now I will take rest, like that. Don't do that. Or otherwise, if you get less marks, then don't be dull. Okay, don't discourage yourself that how many mark tests I have to write. Even I write 10 mark tests or 20 mark tests, still after practicing lot also I am getting very low marks. So what can I do? So these many questions are in the minds of aspirants. That's why I want to tell you one thing in the analyzing of mock test, that after writing the mock test, okay, please see how many questions are correct and how many questions are wrong. Okay, that everyone will do. How many questions were wrong and how many questions were right. Okay, next, while writing the mock test or while attempting the mock test only, you have to write down the question numbers for which you are taking more time than normal. For suppose in general, for every question average, on an average you are taking 30 seconds. Okay, but for 2 or 3 questions you are taking more than 1 minute, or you are taking more than 1.5 minute. Okay, please write those question numbers in somewhere on the rough page. Okay, whether you put these questions right or wrong, whatever it may be, but you are taking long time, more time. You are putting the correct answer, okay, still you are taking lot of time to solve that problem. That's why you have to see the solution. You have to see the solution of these problems also. In general, what many aspirants were doing, after the mock test they will see the solutions of only wrong answers or only wrong questions. Okay, but what I am telling to you is, please see the solutions of the questions which you are taking more time. Okay, and one more thing, basically aspirants will do silly mistakes. Out of 10 wrong answers, if you put 10 wrong answers, then out of 10 definitely 2 to 3 questions are very much easy, but still you are putting the wrong answer. Why? Because you read the question, you didn't read the question carefully or fully, or calculation mistake. Okay, you will do total sum, but in the last 2 plus 3 equal to 5 लिखना पड़ेगा, but लेकिन you will write 2 into 3 equal to 6. Okay, so 5 is also in one option, 6 is also one option, and then you put 6 because you write here 2 into 3, not 2 plus 3. Those type of silly mistakes definitely all the aspirants will do. Okay, that's why what I am saying, what I am trying to say is, write down all the silly mistakes in a single page every day. Whenever you write the exam mock test, whether it is in English or in quantitative aptitude, please write all the silly mistakes in detail. That I wrote down silly mistake as I put a diameter when he was asking radius. రేడియస్ అడిగితే నేను డయామీటర్ పెట్టాను. నెక్స్ట్ 2 క్యూబ్ అడిగితే నేను 2 into 3 చేశాను. ఐ పుట్ 2 క్యూబ్ in place of 2 into 3. Okay, write down all the silly mistakes. Okay, next, today you wrote the exam, and after the exam you write all silly mistakes, and in the next day before writing the exam or before attempting the exam, please make sure that you have to read all your silly mistakes what you done yesterday. Okay, and don't repeat those silly mistakes in the today's exam. Don't repeat it. Okay, making a mistake is not bad thing, but repeating the same mistake is always a bad thing. So don't repeat the mistake. Okay, you can do the mistake, okay, because we are human beings. Definitely in the exam we have a lot of tension or we have a lot of pressure. Okay, so that's why we made a mistake, okay, in general, but don't repeat the mistake. Okay, that is my request to all. Okay, because single mark, okay, single mark will make you inspector. Okay, when you lose that single mark, you may get group C post. Okay, otherwise single mark will get you any job, but if you didn't get that single mark, you may lose the job and you may wait for 2 to 3 more years to write next year exam, and for that process definitely it will take a lot of time to get job. That's why please put all these things in your mind and write the exam very carefully. Okay, so these are my suggestions to you to get more marks, and feel free to ask any doubts or feel free to ask any solution which you take a lot of time, which you take more time, and if you want any short trick or if you want any formula for that type or for that model, then feel free to ask in comment section or personally to my WhatsApp number which was scrolling down in this video. Okay, I hope all of you understand the things which you have to do in these 2 weeks. And one more thing, finally I want to tell you, when you write the exam, okay, or when you appear in any exam, any competitive exam, your mind should be very free and calm, very calm, very calm. Don't be tensed and don't be irritated. Okay, when you go into the examination hall, maybe you may get irritated while going to the examination hall. On the way, maybe some people will irritate you, okay, by asking some questions, okay, by anything, okay, but while entering the exam, please make sure that all your irritations to be outside of the examination hall. Don't take those things inside the examination hall. Your irritations or your tensions or your pressure, anything, please make sure that they will be outside the examination hall and your mind will be very calm and very peaceful. Then definitely you will get more marks than in the than in the irritated condition. Okay, that is my simple suggestion and please follow it. And after writing the examination, you can freely tell your experience how you wrote the exam, or you can give the feedback of your exam in the comment section or to my WhatsApp number. Okay, with this I'll conclude this video, and I'm wishing you very all the best to all of you aspirants who are appearing Tier 2 exam of SSC CGL 2021. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.